In Karnataka, voting for assembly elections will take place tomorrow. Polling will begin at 7 am and continue till 6 pm. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Foreign Minister of Israel Eli Cohen today held bilateral talks in New Delhi. National Security Advisor of the US, India and the UAE met with Saudi Prince and Prime Minister Mohammed bin Salman in Saudi Arabia on Sunday to discuss and share vision of a more secure and prosperous Middle East region interconnected with India and the world. Foreign Minister of Israel, Eli Cohen, has arrived in New Delhi on a 3-day visit to India. In weightlifting, India weightlifters finished the Asian Weightlifting Championships 2023 in Jeonju, South Korea with 3 silver medals.